When I launched my nonprofit, I felt confident because the MBA program allowed me to see all aspects of the business, whether it was doing a financial study on a particular company, marketing, accounting records, anything like that had added value to my launching of my nonprofit.
Not only did having an MBA from Cal Poly get me into the associate brand manager role that I wanted, since then I've been promoted and am now a brand manager here at Nature Made and at Farmavite, and having the MBA and some of the skills that I gained from the MBA directly contributed to my growth and ability to be more effective and therefore be promoted.
In addition to the education in the classroom, this program has really benefited my professional career. Throughout these past 2 years, I have had headhunters find my profile on LinkedIn, find my resume online, and reach out to me with job offers. So not only have I deepened my understanding of the workings of business, but several different career opportunities have presented themselves, and very lucrative career opportunities as well.
A lot of professors would email and announce job opportunities, and I thought that was great. It was a constant message, communication. There's a job here, there's a job there, apply for this, do that. And that's another thing that made me feel like they really care about the students. They really want to find avenues for students to succeed.
I think it's advantageous to study here because you will be challenged. Because of the way we teach the classes here, because of the subject matters that we're exploring, you will start out one way, and by the time you get through the program, you're going to be rock solid, confident, capable person that's able to deal with a lot of different situations that you didn't know that you could deal with.
Our objective is not just to train our MBA students to become better managers, but to enable them to become effective leaders. In simple words, students learn it in the classroom today, they practice it in the office tomorrow.